Hey there, this is Eric with MMI Home Improvement. We're at this lovely home providing clean ducts, clean air for you and your family.
Hey, this is Caleb with MMI. We're here to do air duct cleaning here at a 3,000 square foot house.
Right now, pretty much all we're doing is first things first. We like to put all of our equipment over here on these nice little carpets, just to make sure everything stays clean. Added more dirt or whatever to the. Alright, so this is the machine we use to suck out all the dirt, lint, debris from the air ducts. We have everything laid out nicely and organized here, just to make sure there's no added dirt into the resident's home.
All right, so before we enter the customer's house, we're gonna put on shoe covers. All right, so I'm gonna do my inspection. I'm gonna look to see where I need to hook the machine up. For this house in particular, it's gonna be right here.
So with the process, we typically start off with your return. This is where all your air is going to be entering and filters back into your system. So here in this return, you will see this is where you get most of your buildup. This is where you're going to have your dust, your debris, dead skin cells, hair, dog hair, anything, all getting built up there, and that's where we start off with the cleaning.
Hey, this is Steven with MMI. Here we have some floor vents, which most of the time have a lot of trash inside of them. So we always vacuum them out first.
One thing we do here at MMI is we always like to take a before and after picture, just so that the customer sees all the stuff that we cleaned out for them. So this right here is the before, and then this is the after.
When you're done cleaning your ducts, go ahead and take pictures and thoroughly check if everything is clean.
The last thing we do once we finished up all the work, we make sure all the vents are closed up.